Okay.
Elliot, come here. You have some mail from Granny. Come here. You don't see it? What do you have? You got some mail. Two things. Come check it out. This says
Come on, Elliot.
bird ornament. Look, it's from Granny. You want to see? Come see. Whoa, open it up. What is it? It's from Granny. Granny sent you something. What is it? Ooh, pretty. Look. Look. What is it? What is it? What is that? A bird. Very nice. Nice. Granny sent you a bird. It's a bird ornament for a tree. Bird. And, see, bird. Woo. You like that? And, this is music for you. This is the CD, so we'll have to play that. It says, I watched the Scallop Pier 39 when Melanie was in the shop. She was great. I know our baby would love this music. Okay, this is music for you, so we'll have to tell me. But it's a bird. Nice. You like the bird? Okay. Elliot. What do you think? All right.